Hello and welcome. Today I want to show you a small fix that I recently found and I think that you may find useful. So whenever I install both Linux and Windows on my computer in a dual boot configuration, the system clock on Windows somehow always gets messed up and it doesn't show the time correctly. So I recently found a really neat fix for that, and it was when I installed Pop! OS alongside Windows. So the guys behind Pop! OS have a support site where they give all kinds of tips for Pop! OS. And one of the articles there was about dual boot. I leave a link in the video description below. So in the very bottom of the page, they refer to this problem. And they say that the easiest solution is to fix it in Linux, forcing its clock to work the same way as Windows. So all we have to do is open a terminal. Then copy the line from their website and paste it to the terminal. And that's it, job's done. You will have to fix it one less time in Windows. The easiest way is right-clicking on the date and time, then adjust date time. Make sure your time zone is correct, then where it says set time automatically, turn it off. And then turn it on again. And that's it. I tested it on Ubuntu, Pop! OS and Linux Mint, and it worked great. And then you can switch as many times as you want between Windows and Linux, and the time will be displayed correctly. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.